You're using ChatGPT, but wouldn't it be nice to use the weather data from Meteomatics right here in your agent? You can do that. It's pretty simple. I'm going to walk you through the steps right now. This is a free account, so not souped up. I'm not doing anything special on the background. We're going to do this really simple. So click on here. You're going to click on settings. You're going to click on apps, and then you're going to click on advanced settings. You're going to turn on developer mode, and then you're going to click on create app. And here we're going to put in Meteomatics weather MCP. How about that? If I can spell it, MCP. There we go. And we're going to paste in the URL. There it is. I'll put it down here in the comments. And then we're going to click on that. I understand what's happening. And we're going to click create. So it's going to go through and prompt us to actually enter in our credentials now. So our username and password. We'll go ahead and plug that in here right there. And I'm going to use the old fingerprint. That's good. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to turn on memories too. Sure. Ask the Meteomatics MCP when it will rain next. Yeah, it's going to be a minute before we start seeing some rain. Yeah, looks like Wednesday we'll see some rain and some thunderstorms.